Drop it.
हेलो गाइस, व्हाट्स अप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का जो वीडियो है एक्चुअली वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है एंड इस वीडियो में मैं अपना क्रिएटिविटी को शेयर कर रही हूँ। सो गाइस, गेट इनटू आवर वर्क। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस, हियर आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ गजरा। फॉर दैट वी नीड अ गोल्डन लेस, scissor, a metal string, thread and the plier. Guys, now we have to cut a golden lace of 5 cm each and make a 50 pieces of that. As you can see over here, I have measured it with my finger and cutted it. Here, have cutted the golden lace with 5 centimeters of each and I made approx 50 pieces. And now take a metal string and cut approx 50 to 55 pieces of 5 to 6 centimeter each. As you can see over here, I have made it. And now take a single metal string and roll it on the end of the string like this. As you can see over here, roll each string with the plier, make a round on the end of the string. Now roll each string like this. As you can see how I am making over here. Now take a golden lace and fold 1/4 inch or 1/4 centimeter at the end of the lace and add a metal string which we have rounded it, which should be to the upside. And now make a triangles of each lace and fold it into like this as to make a rose. As you can see how I am making. Now fix the metal string with the rose and tie the rose. To fix it up with a thread, tie it properly, otherwise it will get loose. Make approx 3 to 4 rounds of thread over it and make a knot on that. Make a 2 to 3 knots over it to fix it up tightly. Now cut the extra thread with the scissor and make like this approx 50 pieces of roses. Now take another piece of golden lace and roll it on the starting and fix it with a metal string and make a rose, and at the end tie it with a thread as we have made for the first rose. Now repeat this process for all of the roses and make a roses of 50 to 55 pieces. Make sure to fold the lace in a perfect triangle, otherwise it won't look perfect. For perfect looking, make it in a triangle manner. As you can see, now I am fixing the metal string to the rose perfectly, and I have completed with making a rose and now I am tying it with the thread, and after that I am going to make a knot over it. Now make a bunch of 3 roses and fix it with the metal string, make a round of the metal string. Now make like this all of the roses, as you can see how I am making. Make sure that you should not roll the metal string with the hands, otherwise it may get harm to your hand. Be sure to roll it with the plier only. Now make all of the roses like this. Be safe while rolling the metal string. As you can see, I have made all of the rose bunches. Now take a big strings of 2 metal string and fold the end like this as I have did, and add going on the bunches of the roses like this. Roll it to the metal string. Make like this until it gets finished. Make sure to roll it with the plier only. Now go on adding the bunches of the roses to the metal string until it's get finished. As you can see, I have completed with all of the rose bunches, and my gajra is ready. And now take a strong thread or a woolen thread of any color as you wish. I prefer to take it black only, but at present I won't have that. I'm using the white thread over here. Tie it at the ends of the gajra such that we can tie to our hats perfect. As you can see how beautiful the gajra is looking. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.